Donut. Yeah.
Somebody told me that
Yeah.
if I'm gonna drive a Z, I might as well look the part. Right?
Oh my gosh. That is not what I was expecting.
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh my god. I was like, oh, he's about to walk in. What is he? Why does he want me to film? Oh my god.
they have a spill? Huh? Do they have a spill?
Spill.
Spill. Spill. So that's neat. So instead of having a 70 mil, I have a 90 something. No, more.
Help with the throttle position and everything.
Donald's first lap. Here
first.
we go. Vanessa, Collins, Dawson, I love you. If Uncle Donald kills me, I don't think he will. But what we do have is mustaches.
Yeah.
Mustaches. Mustaches?
350Z drivers
Mustaches.
have mustaches.
Here we
Start to
go,
sprinkle.
dog. What happened? Like I said,
Don't be flipped.
don't worry about
Just drive.
just go in a straight line and start making a turn. And as you start making a turn, start giving it a little more gas. But if you do it too slow, you're just gonna understeer. So you gotta, when you feel it start turning, just give it some.
Number 1, first lap.
Go. So you saw how that went?
Yeah.
So yeah, like you do your little clutch kick. So like get around this time. So give you a little clutch kick right here. Get set. Second. There you go. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Yeah, right here. Just wait till they get out of the way.
Yeah.
Just go back around.
I think it's easier to do figure eights or run track.
Figure eights. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go, keep going! Yeah! Yeah! This is gonna look so bad! Yeah! If I can match this video up to the old video I have. Oh shit, that was a drum. God damn.
So this next part of this video is specifically for Brian. He moved to North Carolina recently, but he's always complaining about how much I'm putting him spinning in the videos. So this next part of this video is for you, bud. I hope it makes up for everything, and I hope you enjoy. Anybody else? Like, comment, subscribe for more content. We have some R32 content coming out. Connor's building his SR20 for his R32. If there's anything specifically that you guys would like to see, leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to try to make sure that we include it in a video in the future. Until next time, guys. Peace.
He's trying to do a backy.
No, that's take them all back apart.
Mod Mike, get it right.
Not passing the torch.
Dang. Maybe next time, Mike. You can do it. Ah! So close!
He probably knows that.
Come on, Donald. He's flying though.
He is.
All right, here we go. Come on. Yeah. Go back.